Tara, stretch out your hand, boy.
I
Where's the boy?
I know, said I'm not pretend. That's why I'm driving the car in top. No, I'm not just them. No one apart, me no one.
Jesus Christ, I want to cook some food. I'm gonna make hard. Wonder if I cook today. Not even know what I'm going on. Oh! The boy, don't have to. Watch out. Just pass the shop. Make the boy go shop here. Right there! Right there! Oh no, the ugly boy there. Right there!
You feel some handsome?
Right there! Oi, big man!
Yeah.
Look how long you guys are calling. So when you're in my yard, from in my yard, me a bigger uncle and me run things, yes, so when I call you,
Me
fi
not
answer.
fiance you, brother.
What you mean you not fi answer?
Me not fiance you.
Why are you dead? You know what my name? Repeat my name, boy. What my name? See how Baba bet some box out of teeth and make couple of cents and drop out through them. Hey boy, see if you want fish a John? Don't play me man. You hear me now, no, man? When you got shot, it's a last $100 in my name. You hear me? I say, it's a last $100 in my name. When you go to shop and buy quarter pound of sawfish, 10 pound of flour. You see me? And when you buy some baked bean, when you buy some chicken back, you see me? What a $100. You see me?
So I $10.
You chat too much. You hear me? I say to you, man. When you buy like a season, like Maggie all-purpose season.
Me not want you.
Little boy, hear me? I say. Hear me? I say. The airline, see me now? Go and go get me see everything. You see me? I don't Peter gonna make it join a boy.
Ratchet. Oh! Money last. I wonder if he did give me money. You know, say it look like he did give me money though. I got. Uncle Pumpkin, I don't remember if you did give me money. You did give me money?
Where's the boy? Where's the me give money?
Yes, Uncle Pumpkin. Me can't find the money. Look like he lost. You did give me it for sure.
You lost my money.
Yeah, Uncle Pumpkin.
You know I'm dead like Paul Bogle and Sam Sharp, boy.
You about dead like.
Why you?
He needs some
Me a milk. Sit down, sit down, sit down. You're comfortable. You lost my money.
Yeah, Uncle.
My money, my 100. You see what come back? Me boy, sit down. Shut up, boy! You see? Oh, listen what me I say. Listen what me I say. Listen what me I say.
You're a big man now, you know, Uncle
Listen
Pumpkin.
what me I
If
say.
you stop get lit now, you know, Uncle
Boy,
Pumpkin.
shut up.
Me not drop up, man.
Hey,
If
boy.
you stop get lit now, man.
You see my $100.
You're a big man, you know, Uncle
You
Pumpkin.
get $5 each strokes. Yo, I'm an English teacher. Teach me if you count. No, so you get 5 times 10.
You gotta look for your money.
You have enough money?
Yeah.
Where you have find it?
Boy, run for the granny.
Shut up, you know. Stop it, right? I'm family affair this. Don't interfere. Your uncle.
Oh, God, Uncle Pumpkin.
After us. Stretch out your hand, boy.
I want to stay.
Where's the boy?
Uncle Pumpkin. Uncle Pumpkin, wait.
Yeah man, I that to forget long time I tell us to be run.
Now make sure yo, when you subscribe to Eat Boss channel, is it? And go down there so and click the red button there. And make sure you say when you click the bell, invite all of the girl them, no family member, and share to no friend them too. Cause you know we love the crowd, is it? Yeah. We have to show them a video if they didn't watch it. Yeah. A new year. We need to subscriber.